Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing tools so you can move immediately into building. Install Node, JSLTS, and open VS Code. Make sure Git is configured with your email and name. Create a new GitHub repository and clone it. Once done, initialize npm and add a README. You'll learn the why as you go. HTML structures content, CSS styles it, and JavaScript adds behavior, so start a tiny index. HTML and a script, JS to connect everything. Now you implement core functionality so the app becomes useful. Structure responsive layouts with Flexbox or Grid and test at multiple widths. Once layout is solid, add event listeners to buttons and form inputs to update the DOM. Split code into modules and install npm packages for routing or state. Make simple build scripts using npm scripts. Use source control commits frequently and run the app locally to verify each change before moving on to optimization and deployment steps. Finish by optimizing and deploying so users can access your work. Minify CSS and JS, add meta tags for SEO, and run Lighthouse or similar to identify bottlenecks. Make sure images are compressed. Choose a host like Netlify, Versal, or GitHub Pages and connect your repo for continuous deployment. Once deployed, verify SSL and routing. If something breaks, check browser console errors and build logs first. Those lines usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.